All right. Just listening to some music before we started, but good morning. Let's do this shit. Beautiful Friday afternoon. We don't want to push it because we had a good week and send it off on a good note, right? All right. Let's go to daily journal. Morning checklist. All right. Let's go here first. How am I feeling right now? Confident. What is causing this? Money's taken care of with my job. I don't need to go crazy today. It's Friday, end the week on a high note. And that's all that matters. I show up with discipline, patience, and trust. Who am I being? Calm and focused. Well, I do follow my plan and my rules. Why do I trade? For freedom and mastery of myself. What is my current mission? Build a buffer. Today's intentions. Follow rules. One trade, win or lose. What do I want from the market? Nothing. What today's trading goal? Protect capital. Accounts that I will be trading is 1. Max loss is 80. Position size is 4. So MES is what the primary vehicle that we're using today. It's why I have the MES charts above, which is 4. Daily journal. Let's start here. What is the higher time frame saying? Above. Are we below or yesterday midpoint? No. Mood map. Expected today is uptrend day 3. So what is the EMA chart saying? Let's pull up the EMA chart. This for some reason is a 15-minute. We need the 15-minute Heikin-Ashi. Heikin-Ashi is basically 2 candles mashed into one. So for example, if we have, I don't know why it's pulling up the fucking 10-minute, and my dog is going crazy right now. Beautiful. Mochi, relax. He's excited for the markets. So if we have a 15-minute Heikin-Ashi, it's basically a 30-minute candle. It's just 2 15 minutes comprised. So we kind of get like a idea of it, right? So there you go. So we're above EMAs. We also have like these chop factors coming into play, right? So we have that one and this one is kind of like an area. It's kind of where price has passed, but it never closed above it. So it's been an interesting time in the markets. I personally haven't looked at charts throughout the week, except that the only times I did were when I took 2 trades. The goal for me today is to follow my rules. If I fuck up the fucking first trade, I'm done for the day. I'm not I'm not prostituting my capital or letting it be a whore. If I lose, I lose. It is what it is. And yeah, pretty much. So mood map was uptrend day 3. If we're below both, it's downtrend bias, but we are above both, so it's an uptrend bias. Are we rejecting or reclaiming these zones? Reclaiming these zones. Where are we going to open? More than likely, we're going to open above zero price, above midpoints. So, market direction's up, right? But we still have these chop zones that, for all we know, we could just chop the fucking day, and that's pretty much it. That's kind of also why, in my mind, I don't really want to fucking stay longer than I need to. It's also summer, and summer trading is kind of less volatility, less volume. But we're still. If I look at the VIX right now, let's go. If I look at the VIX right now, we're still at 22.14. That's pretty high. There's opportunity still here, but we also don't want to fucking, stay longer than we need to. I think my whole journey as a trader has been one of just learning a lot of lessons over time. But the main lesson for me is just learning when to participate and when to not. There's a lot of traders this week that they try to trade every fucking day and they get fucked up. Why? One, you have performance issues based on your sleep, based on all this other stuff, how your psychology is. And for me, trading less has been really such a godsend. Because I don't know, it's something in my mind that kind of switched. It's like, I like trading in the aspect of it's like a puzzle every day and you don't know what you're going to get. But it's also not my focus in life anymore. So it's pretty nice. So the trade idea I have today is a retest of these midpoints. So if we come back in, enter it, see what happens. If the trade plays out, great. If not, trade idea 1, reclaim of midpoint. So target the stop is a 4-point stop. I'm going to go back to my original strategy when it comes to profit taking. So target profit 1 is 5,700. Target profit 2 is 57.10, and target profit 3 is 57.16. Trade idea 2 would be a little bit more aggressive, so it's a little bit more riskier. 57.15. Stop would be 57. I don't know why I put 57.05. Should be 57.11. So target profit 1 is 57.20. Target profit 2 is 57.25, and target profit 3 is 57.30. So those are the trade ideas I have, and if it doesn't happen, I'm not gonna fucking get upset. It is what it is. My bias is long. We are sticking long only. We're not gonna try to fucking flip short if market proves it wrong. I think we did pretty well this week, so I'm pretty happy with that with those results. So yeah, I mean, let's get to it. Let's get to work, and everyone have a good session.